In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter leads by zip code in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll be able to quickly narrow your contact list to the exact areas you serve, which is perfect for localized campaigns, appointment routing, and cleaner reporting. First, sign in and open your GoHighLevel account. From the main dashboard, head to the Contacts section on the left-hand menu. This is where your full list of leads and customers lives, and it's the best place to segment data without exporting anything. At the top of your contact list, open Advanced Filters. This panel is the control center for building precise searches. You'll see a field search box that helps you find the exact data you want to filter by. Start typing what you want to filter, and to keep things simple here, type the word Postal or Zip. This narrows the list of fields so you can pick the correct one. Select the field labeled Postal Zip Code. Next, choose the condition that matches your goal. Is will return only the exact zip you enter. Is not excludes that zip. You'll also see other options that can help in edge cases, like when you want to match partial values or ranges, but is and is not are the most common for clean targeted lists. Now type your zip code in the input box. Use standard formatting like a 5-digit code or the extended 9-digit code if your data includes it. If your account supports multiple entries, you can separate several zips with commas to create a small list. Keep an eye on spacing and leading zeros. Those details matter when matching exact values. If you're not getting results, double-check your contact records to confirm that the postal code field is actually populated for those leads. For more precision, you can add a nested filter. A nested filter creates a grouped condition, which is great when you want to combine criteria with and/or logic. For example, you might filter for a specific zip code and a certain pipeline stage, or a zip code, or a neighboring zip. If you don't need grouping, you can simply add another filter at the same level to refine by things like tags, sources, or last activity. When your conditions look right, click Apply. Your contact list will refresh to show only the leads that match the zip-based criteria you set. If the list feels too small or too broad, tweak the condition or the value and apply again until it aligns with your targeting needs. That's all you need to filter leads by zip code and GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching and happy segmenting.